What if I told you there is a huge group of people who have plenty of cash and they are practically begging for someone to help them with something you already do for fun? Think about it for a second. Every single day, thousands of people over the age of 50 are buying brand new tech gadgets. They buy video doorbells because they want to feel safe in their homes. They buy smart thermostats to save money on their winter heating bills. They buy voice assistants so they can easily play their favorite music or turn off the lights without getting out of bed. But there is one massive, extremely common problem holding them back. They open the cardboard box, look at the confusing instruction manual, and immediately feel completely lost. Their kids are working full-time jobs and are just too busy to come over and help them set it up. The big technology companies sell the products, but they definitely do not offer cheap in-home setup. And that gap in the market is exactly where you step in to easily make $5,000 a month. Welcome to the local smart home setup business. This is not about inventing a complicated software app or trying to raise millions from venture capitalists. This is simply about solving a very real, everyday problem for a market that is ready and willing to pay you. Before I show you the exact math of how to consistently hit $5,000 every single month, you need to understand why this works so perfectly. If you want to keep discovering these hidden, highly profitable physical business blueprints that no one else is talking about, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on your next big opportunity. Now, let us talk about how you can actually do this, even if you do not consider yourself a computer expert. You absolutely do not need to know how to write code or build a computer from scratch to do this. If you know how to connect a smartphone to a Wi-Fi network, download a simple app from the App Store, and follow basic screen instructions, you are already fully qualified. Let me give you a very relatable scenario so you can see how simple this is. Imagine a 65-year-old grandmother named Susan who lives in your neighborhood. Susan just bought a brand new Ring video doorbell because she wants to see when her delivery packages arrive on her porch. She tries to install it herself, but she doesn't understand how to connect it to her home internet router. She's stressed, frustrated, and just wants it to work. You charge her $100 to come to her house and fix the problem. You spend about 30 minutes screwing the doorbell bracket into the wood next to her front door. You download the free app on her smartphone. You carefully type in her Wi-Fi password to connect the device. Then you patiently show her how to look at the live camera feed on her phone screen. Susan is absolutely thrilled, and she immediately hands you a crisp $100 bill. It really is that simple and stress-free. But how do you actually turn these small jobs into a $5,000 a month cash machine? You have to think like a true business strategist. You don't just sell a one-time physical setup, you're actually selling peace of mind, safety, and convenience. And speaking of smart business strategies, if you're finding this breakdown helpful and want to escape the rat race with tangible businesses that actually work, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Let's break down exactly how you can go out and get paying clients starting today. Don't waste your money on expensive internet ads or complicated marketing campaigns. Your target customers are not mindlessly scrolling on TikTok or Instagram. Instead, go directly to your local hardware stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. Stand near the smart home security section where the cameras are displayed. When you see an older person looking confused at the different boxes, just walk up and offer a friendly, helpful piece of advice. Hand them a simple, clean business card that says Friendly Local Smart Home Setup. Next, go on Facebook and find local community groups for your city or neighborhood. Post a polite message saying you help seniors set up their electronics safely, securely, and patiently. Older folks love hiring someone who is patient, speaks clearly, and is trustworthy. Once you get just one happy client like Susan, she'll tell all her friends at her book club, her church, or her golf group. Word of mouth in this specific age group spreads like absolute wildfire. Now, let's do the logical math to show you exactly how you can go out and get paying clients starting today. To make $5,000 in a single month, you need to make roughly $166 a day. If you charge $100 for a basic doorbell or security camera installation, that's just 2 jobs a day. 2 jobs a day will take you maybe 2 or 3 hours of actual work in total. But here's how you scale this business up and make your life even easier. You create bundle package deals. Instead of just installing a single doorbell, you offer a total home security package for $300. This premium package includes setting up the doorbell, putting a wireless smart camera in the backyard, and connecting a smart lock on the front door. Now, you only need 17 of those package deals an entire month to hit your $5,000 goal. That's not even one full job a day. You can also offer a smart entertainment package. You charge $200 to mount a flat-screen TV, set up a wireless soundbar, and connect a smart plug so they can turn off their living room lamps with their voice. You're rendering a service that literally feels like magic to them. You're taking away all their technical stress. The best part is your overhead business costs are practically zero. You just need a basic screwdriver, a battery-powered drill, and your own car to drive to their house. You don't hold any expensive inventory because the customer has already bought the product themselves. You're simply providing the manual labor and the basic knowledge. Think about the massive long-term potential here. As long as technology keeps moving forward, older generations will always need someone reliable to help them catch up. You can even start a monthly subscription model to generate recurring revenue. Charge them $20 a month to be their personal on-call tech guy. If their internet goes down or their camera suddenly disconnects, they can call you for a quick phone fix or a fast visit. If you eventually get 50 clients paying you $20 a month, that's $1,000 of pure passive income every single month before you even pick up a tool. This is a perfect, tangible service business that generates real cash flow right in your local neighborhood. It takes zero guesswork. It just takes a little bit of hustle, a lot of patience, and a very friendly smile. If you're ready to stop watching other people make money and start building your own wealth with practical ideas just like this one, you know exactly what to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the Real Boss Finance community today. Let's build real wealth together, one actionable blueprint at a time. I'll see you in the next video.